हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज वीडियो रे हमें कोर 3 आउ जति क्वेश्चन आंसर बाकी थिला से गोटा डिस्कशन करबा क्रिएटिविटी थारो स्टार्ट करबा आज। तो चलन तो स्टार्ट करबा आज वीडियो। 101 नंबर क्वेश्चन होचे व्हाट इज क्रिएटिविटी। ऑप्शन अच्छे द एबिलिटी टू मेमोराइज फैक्ट्स, द प्रोसेस ऑफ जनरेटिंग न्यू एंड ओरिजिनल आइडियाज, द एबिलिटी टू फॉलो स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स, a skill that only artists and musicians have. Our answer of option number B, the process of generating new and original ideas. Creativity involves coming up with new, unique and valuable ideas, solution or expressions. It applies to various fields including science, business and everyday problem solving. तापर देखिबा 102 नंबर क्वेश्चन कौन अछि। Which of the following is not a characteristic of creative thinking? Option is fluency, flexibility, conformity, originality. Our answer of option number C, conformity. Creative thinking is defined by fluency, जोटा कि generating many ideas, और flexibility, thinking in different ways, originality माने new ideas, and elaboration, adding details. Conformity or rigidity, following rules, is the opposite of creativity. तापर देखिबा 103 नंबर क्वेश्चन हु प्रपोज्ड द 4 स्टेज मॉडल ऑफ क्रिएटिव थिंकिंग। ऑप्शन अछि जीन पियाजेट, ग्राहम वेल्स, सिगमंड फ्रॉयड, हावर्ड गार्डनर। आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी, ग्राहम वेल्स. Graham Wells proposed the 4-stage model of creativity, which includes preparation, incubation, illumination, and verification. This model explains how ideas develop over time. तापर देखिबा 104 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट हैपेंस इन द incubation stage of creative thinking. Option अछि the individual actively works on the problem, the person takes a break allowing ideas to develop subconsciously, the idea is finalized and shared, the individual memorizes existing solution. Our answer of option number B, the person takes a break allowing ideas to develop subconsciously. During the incubation stage, the mind works on the problem unconsciously while the person is engaged in other activities. This can lead to sudden insights. तापर देखिबा 105 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हाट इज डाइवर्जेंट थिंकिंग। थिंकिंग इन ए सिंगल डायरेक्शन, generating multiple unique solutions to a problem, memorizing information without understanding, avoiding new ways of thinking. Our answer of option number B, generating multiple unique solutions to a problem. Divergent thinking involves exploring multiple possible solutions, which is a key aspect of creativity. It contrasts with convergent thinking, which focuses on finding a single correct answer. तापर 106 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा which method is commonly used to assess creativity. ऑप्शन अछि इंटेलिजेंस क्वेश्चन टेस्ट, टॉरेंस टेस्ट ऑफ क्रिएटिविटी थिंकिंग, मल्टीपल चॉइस एग्जाम्स, स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड अचीवमेंट टेस्ट. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी, Torrance test of creative thinking. The Torrance test of creative thinking measure creativity based on fluency, flexibility, originality, and elaboration. It is widely used in educational and psychological research. तापर 107 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा how can creativity be nurtured in students. Option अछि encouraging rote memorization, providing opportunities for open-ended problem solving, restricting students to one way of thinking, discouraging risk taking. Our answer of option number B, providing opportunities for open-ended problem solving. Creativity grows when students are given tasks that require them to explore different perspectives, take risks, and think outside the box. Activities like brainstorming and project-based learning help develop creativity. तापर 108 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हाट इज ए कॉमन बैरियर टू क्रिएटिविटी. ऑप्शन अछि ओपन माइंडनेस, फिक्स्ड माइंडसेट एंड फियर ऑफ फेल्युअर, एनकरेजिंग एक्सप्लोरेशन ऑफ न्यू आइडियाज, एंगेजिंग इन प्लेफुल लर्निंग. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी, फिक्स्ड माइंडसेट एंड फियर ऑफ फेल्युअर. A mixed mindset, believing intelligence and creativity are fixed traits, and fear of failure prevent people from experimenting and taking risks. which are essential for creative thinking. तापर 109 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा which of the following activities can enhance creativity. ऑप्शन अछि brainstorming session, strict memorization of facts, following rigid guidelines with no flexibility, avoiding any new experiences. Our answer of option number A, brainstorming sessions. Brainstorming allows individuals to generate multiple ideas without immediate criticism, promoting creativity and problem solving. तापर 110 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा which of the following is a technique used to encourage creative thinking. ऑप्शन ए रे अछि स्कैम्पर मेथड, ऑप्शन बी रे अछि रिपीटेटिव मेमोराइजेशन, ऑप्शन सी रे अछि स्ट्रिक्ट adherence to rules, ऑप्शन डी रे अछि अवॉइडिंग क्यूरियोसिटी. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर ए स्कैम्पर मेथड. द स्कैम्पर टेक्निक जो थरे अछि substitute, combine, adopt, modify, put to another use, eliminate, reverse is a structured method for enhancing creative problem solving by modifying existing ideas. तापर 111 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हाट इज द मोस्ट एक्यूरेट डेफिनेशन ऑफ लर्निंग. ऑप्शन अछि टेम्पररी चेंज इन बिहेवियर, ए परमानेंट चेंज इन बिहेवियर ड्यू टू एक्सपीरियंस, in an inborn ability that does not change, a process that happens only in school. Our answer of option number B, a permanent change in behavior due to experience. Learning is a process that leads to a relatively permanent change in behavior, knowledge or skills through experience, practice or study. Unlike temporary changes, learning results in lasting modification. तापर 112 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा which of the following is not a characteristics of learning. आर ऑप्शन अछि learning is a lifelong process, learning involves experience and practice, learning is always conscious and intentional, learning leads to behavioral changes. Our answer of option number C, learning is always conscious and intentional. Learning can be both intentional and incidental. It does not always require conscious effort. तापर 113 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा which factor has the greatest influence on learning. ऑप्शन अछि इंटेलिजेंस alone, a combination of heredity, environment and motivation, heredity only, environment only. Our answer of option number B, a combination of heredity, environment and motivation. Learning is influenced by multiple factors including genetic abilities जोटा कि heredity कहा जाए, environmental exposure जोटा कि family, school और culture and personal motivation to learn. These factors work together to shape an individual's learning potential. तापर 114 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा हाउ डज मोटिवेशन अफेक्ट लर्निंग. ऑप्शन अछि इट हैज नो रोल इन लर्निंग, it only affects students with high intelligence, it enhances engagement and effort in learning tasks, it makes learning unnecessary. Our answer of option number C, it enhances engagement and effort in learning tasks. Motivation जोटा कि both intrinsic और extrinsic plays a crucial role in learning. Intrinsic motivation होची curiosity, personal interest and extrinsic motivation होची rewards, recognition, encourage learners to engage with material and persist in their studies. तापर 115 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा which of the following is an environmental factor that affects learning. ऑप्शन अछि genetic intelligence, classroom environment and teaching methods, reflex actions, hereditary traits. Our answer of option number B, classroom environment and teaching methods. Environmental factors such as a supportive classroom, effective teaching strategies, parental involvement and social interactions influence learning. A positive learning environment fosters better academic performance and skill development. तापर 116 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा हु प्रपोज्ड द ट्रायल एंड एरर लर्निंग थ्योरी. ऑप्शन अछि बीएफ स्किनर, जीन पियाजेट, एडवर्ड थॉर्नडाइक, इवान पावलोव. आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी, एडवर्ड थॉर्नडाइक. Edward Thorndike, an American psychologist, introduced the trial and error learning theory based on his experiments with cats in puzzle boxes. His work laid the foundation of behaviorism and learning theories. तापर 117 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा which of the following best describes trial and error learning. ऑप्शन ने अछि लर्निंग occurs instantly without any mistakes, Learning happens through repeated attempts and gradual elimination of errors. Learning is based only on rewards. Learning is purely instinctive and requires no experience. Our answer of option number B. Learning happens through repetitive attempts and gradual elimination of errors. Trial and error learning is a process where a learner tries multiple times, makes mistakes, and gradually improves performance by eliminating incorrect responses and reinforcing correct ones. तापर से 18 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट वन ऑफ थॉर्नडाइक्स लॉ ऑफ लर्निंग ऑप्शन अछि लॉ ऑफ रेडीनेस लॉ ऑफ एक्सरसाइज लॉ ऑफ इफेक्ट लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्सेस आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर डी लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्सेस थॉर्नडाइक प्रपोज 3 की लॉज सेटा होची लॉ ऑफ रेडीनेस जोटा कि लर्निंग हैपेंस व्हेन ए पर्सन इज प्रिपेयर्ड तापर सेकंड रे अछि लॉ ऑफ एक्सरसाइज जोटा कि रिपीटेशन स्ट्रेंथेन्स लर्निंग आ थर्ड रे अछि लॉ ऑफ इफेक्ट जोटा कि पॉजिटिव आउटकम्स स्ट्रेंथेन रेस्पॉन्सेस द लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्सेस इज नॉट ए पार्ट ऑफ हिज हिस्ट्री तापर 119 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हाट रोल डज रिवॉर्ड प्ले इन ट्रायल एंड एरर लर्निंग ऑप्शन अछि रिवॉर्ड्स वीकेन लर्निंग रिवॉर्ड्स हैव नो इफेक्ट ऑन लर्निंग रिवॉर्ड्स reinforce correct responses and encourage repetition option D अछि rewards cause confusion in the learning process our answer of option number C Reward enforce correct responses and encourage repetition. According to the law of effect, actions followed by positive outcomes, such as rewards, are more likely to be repeated. Reinforce learning. Negative outcomes discourage incorrect behaviors. तापर 120 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा What is an example of trial and error learning? Option A is a student memorizing a poem word for word, a child repeatedly attempting to fit a puzzle piece in different spots until it fits correctly, a person instantly solving a complex math problem without prior experience, a bird instinctively flying for the first time. Our answer of option number B, a child repeatedly attempting to fit a puzzle piece in different spots until it fits correctly. Trial and error learning involves making multiple attempts, learning from mistakes, and eventually finding the correct solution. Just like a child experimenting with puzzle piece until finding the right fit. तापर 121 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा हु इज द फाउंडर ऑफ क्लासिकल कंडीशनिंग थ्योरी ऑप्शन अछि बीएफ स्किनर एडवर्ड थॉर्नडाइक इवान पावलोव जॉन ड्यूए आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी इवान पावलोव a Russian psychologist developed the classical conditioning theory based on his experiments with dogs where he demonstrated how a neutral stimulus जोटा कि बेल थिला could be associated with an unconditioned stimulus जोटा कि food to produce a conditioned response तार थिला salivation तापर देखबा 122 नंबर क्वेश्चन in classical conditioning what is the unconditioned stimulus option A is a stimulus that naturally triggers a response without prior learning a learned stimulus that produces a response that occurs after repeated training, a neutral stimulus with no effect on behavior. Our answer of option number A stimulus that naturally triggers a response without prior learning. An unconditioned stimulus, जोटा कि UCS कहा जाए, is something that automatically triggers a natural response. In Pavlov's experiment, food was the UCS by unconditioned stimulus because it naturally made the dog salivate. तापरे 123 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हाट इज द की प्रोसेस दैट लीड्स टू लर्निंग इन क्लासिकल कंडीशनिंग ऑप्शन अछि रिपीटेड एक्सपोजर टू ए स्टिमुलस विदाउट रेनफोर्समेंट associating a neutral stimulus with an unconditioned stimulus trial and error learning problem solving through reasoning our answer of option number B associating a neutral stimulus with an unconditioned stimulus classical conditioning occurs when a previously neutral stimulus is repeatedly paired with an unconditioned stimulus leading to a conditioned response तापर 124 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हाट इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ ए कंडीशनड रेस्पॉन्स जोटा कि सीआर बोली कह जाए इन क्लासिकल कंडीशनिंग। ऑप्शन एच ए डॉग नेचुरली सैलिवेटिंग व्हेन इट sees food. Option B रही है child instinctively blinking when exposed to bright light. Option C रही है person feeling hungry when hearing the sound of a lunch bell. Option D रही है baby crying due to a loud noise. Our answer of option number C, a person feeling hungry when hearing the sound of a lunch bell. A conditioned response CR is a learned reaction to a previously neutral stimulus. If a person repeatedly hears a bell before eating, they may start feeling hungry when hearing the bell alone, even without food present. तापर 125 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा, व्हाट इज इंस्ट्रक्शन इन क्लासिकल कंडीशनिंग. ऑप्शन ए is strengthening the association between stimuli, the disappearance of a conditioned response when the conditioned stimulus is no longer paired with the unconditioned stimulus, the immediate learning of a new response, a situation where conditioning cannot happen. Our answer of option number B, the disappearance of a conditioned response when the conditioned stimulus is no longer paired with the unconditioned stimulus. Intrinsic occurs when the conditioned stimulus is repeatedly presented without the unconditioned stimulus, causing the learned response to weaken and eventually disappears. तापर 126 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा, who developed the operant conditioning theory. Option A Ivan Pavlov, Edward Thorndike, B.F. Skinner, John Watson. Our answer of option number C, B.F. Skinner. B.F. Skinner, an American psychologist, developed the operant conditioning theory, which explains how behaviors are learned and modified through rewards and punishments. His experiments with rats and pigeons in a Skinner box demonstrated this process. ऑपरेंट कंडीशनिंग थ्योरी होची बीएफ स्किनर से रैट आउ पिजन को लेकिन तांकर एक्सपेरिमेंट करथिले आउ आ पूर्व जोटा पढ़ले क्लासिकल कंडीशनिंग सेटा कार थिला ना इवान पावलोव कर थिला से का को लेकिन एक्सपेरिमेंट करथिले ना डॉग बेल आउ फूड को लेकिन एक्सपेरिमेंट करथिले। तापर देखबे 127 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द की प्रिंसिपल ऑफ ऑपरेंट कंडीशनिंग. ऑप्शन ए लर्निंग ऑकर्स थ्रू एसोसिएशन ऑफ स्टिमुली, लर्निंग हैपेंस बाय ट्रायल एंड एरर, learning is shaped by consequences of behavior, learning is an automatic response to external stimuli. Our answer of option number C, learning is shaped by consequences of behavior. Operant conditioning states that behaviors are strengthened if followed by rewards and weakened if followed by punishments. This process helps in modifying and shaping behavior. तापर 128 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा, व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ पॉजिटिव रेनफोर्समेंट. ऑप्शन ए टेकिंग अवे होमवर्क फॉर गुड क्लासरूम बिहेवियर, गिविंग ए चाइल्ड कैंडी फॉर कंप्लीटिंग होमवर्क, scolding a student for being late, removing a privilege for not studying. Our answer of option number B, giving a child candy for completing homework. Positive reinforcement involves adding a pleasant stimulus to encourage a behavior. Giving a child candy after homework increases the likelihood of them completing homework in the future. तापर 129 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा, what is the difference between positive and negative reinforcement? Positive reinforcement weakens behavior while negative reinforcement strengthens it. Positive reinforcement adds something pleasant while negative reinforcement removes something unpleasant. Positive reinforcement removes something unpleasant while negative reinforcement adds something pleasant. They are the same and have no difference. Our answer of option number B, positive reinforcement adds something pleasant and while negative reinforcement removes something unpleasant. Positive reinforcement strengthens behavior by adding rewards while negative reinforcement strengthens behavior by removing an unpleasant factor. तापर 130 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा, व्हाट इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ पनिशमेंट इन ऑपरेंट कंडीशनिंग. ऑप्शन ए रिवार्डिंग ए स्टूडेंट फॉर गुड बिहेवियर, रिमूविंग रेस्ट्रिक्शंस व्हेन ए स्टूडेंट फॉलोज रूल्स, गिविंग एक्स्ट्रा होमवर्क फॉर टॉकिंग इन क्लास, अलाउइंग ए स्टूडेंट टू स्किप ए टेस्ट फॉर गुड परफॉर्मेंस. आवर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी, गिविंग एक्स्ट्रा होमवर्क फॉर टॉकिंग इन क्लास. Punishment is used to decrease unwanted behavior. Giving extra homework discourages talking in class, making it an example of positive punishment. ତାପରେ 131 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा हु प्रपोज द इनसाइटफुल लर्निंग थ्योरी ऑप्शन अछि बीएफ स्किनर एडवर्ड थॉर्नडाइक Wolfgang Kohler, Ivan Pavlov. Our answer of option number C, Wolfgang Kohler. Wolfgang Kohler, a Gestalt psychologist, developed the insightful learning theory based on his experiments with chimpanzees. He demonstrated that learning can happen suddenly through understanding relationship rather than trial and error. तापर 132 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हाट इज द की कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ इनसाइटफुल लर्निंग ऑप्शन अछि लर्निंग हैपेंस थ्रू रिपीटेड ट्रायल एंड एरर लर्निंग इज बेस्ड ऑन कंडीशनड रेस्पॉन्सेस लर्निंग occurs suddenly through understanding the situation learning requires reinforcement and add punishment our answer of option number C learning occurs suddenly through understanding the situation insightful learning happens when an individual suddenly realizes the solution to a problem by reorganizing their thinking rather than relying on trial and error or enforcement. तापर 133 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हिच एक्सपेरिमेंट इज मोस्ट कॉमनली एसोसिएटेड विथ इनसाइटफुल लर्निंग ऑप्शन अछि पावलोव्स डॉग एक्सपेरिमेंट स्किनर्स रैट एक्सपेरिमेंट कोहलर्स चिंपैंजी एंड बनाना एक्सपेरिमेंट थॉर्नडाइक्स पजल बॉक्स एक्सपेरिमेंट आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर सी कोहलबर्ग्स चिंपैंजी एंड banana experiments. Kohler's experiment with chimpanzees demonstrated insightful learning when the chimpanzee used tools and strategies to reach bananas without prior conditioning, showing problem-solving abilities. तापर 134 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हाट इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ इनसाइटफुल लर्निंग ऑप्शन ए स्टूडेंट मेमोराइजिंग आंसर्स विदाउट अंडरस्टैंडिंग ए रैट लर्निंग टू प्रेस ए लीफ for food through rewards, a child suddenly realizing how to solve a math problem after thinking about it, a dog salivating when it hears a bell. Our answer of option number C, a child suddenly realizing how to solve a math problem after thinking about it. Insightful learning involves sudden realization of a solution without step-by-step conditioning. A student struggling with a math problem but suddenly understanding it after analyzing the situation is an example of this. तापर 135 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा हाउ डज इनसाइटफुल लर्निंग डिफर फ्रॉम ट्रायल एंड एरर लर्निंग ऑप्शन अछि इनसाइटफुल लर्निंग इज स्लोअर देन ट्रायल एंड एरर लर्निंग insightful learning requires reinforcement while trial and error does not insightful learning happens suddenly while trial and error involves repeated attempts option D अछि they are the same our answer of option number C insightful learning happens suddenly while trial and error involves repeated attempts. Trial and error learning involves multiple attempts and gradual improvement, whereas insightful learning occurs suddenly when the learner understands the whole problem at once. तापर 136 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हाट इज द मेन प्रिंसिपल ऑफ द कंस्ट्रक्टिविस्ट अप्रोच टू लर्निंग ऑप्शन अछि लर्निंग occurs through passive absorption of information knowledge is constructed actively by the learner learning happens only through reinforcement and punishment learning is solely based on memorization our answer of option number B knowledge is constructed actively by the learner the constructivist approach emphasizes that learners actively construct their own understanding based on experience rather than positively receiving information from teachers. तापर देखिबा 137 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एजुकेशनल थ्योरिस्ट इज मोस्ट क्लोजली एसोसिएटेड विथ कंस्ट्रक्टिविज्म आर ऑप्शन अछि बीएफ स्किनर जीन पियाजेट इवान पावलोव एडवर्ड थॉर्नडाइक आर आंसर ऑफ ऑप्शन नंबर बी जीन पियाजेट इज ए की फिगर ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्टिविज्म He proposed that children build knowledge through experience and cognitive development occurs in stages. Lev Vygotsky is another major contributor emphasizing social interaction in learning. तापर 138 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा अकॉर्डिंग टू Vygotsky's constructivist theory what is the zone of proximal development by ZPD Option A is the gap between that what a learner can do alone and what they can achieve with guidance. Option B is the maximum level of intelligence a learner can reach. Option C is the area where rote memorization is most effective. Option D is the stage where a learner completely masters a skill. Our answer of option number A, the gap between what a learner can do alone and what they can achieve with guidance. Vygotsky's zone of proximal development refers to the range of tasks what a learner cannot yet complete independently but can accomplish with support from a teacher or peer. ତାପରେ 139 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा which teaching method aligns most with the constructivist approach. Option A direct lecture based instruction, drill and practice exercises, problem based learning and hands on activities, rote memorization. Our answer of option number C, problem based learning and hands on activities. Constructivist teaching encourages active experiential learning where students engage in problem solving, discussion, and real world applications rather than passive memorization. तापर 140 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा इन ए कंस्ट्रक्टिविस्ट क्लासरूम व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ द टीचर. Option A is a strict authority figure who delivers information, a facilitator who guides and supports students in their learning process, a passive observer with minimal involvement, a controller who ensures students only follows textbook knowledge. Our answer of option number B, a facilitator who guides and supports students in their learning process. In constructivism, the teacher is a facilitator who helps students explore, ask questions, and construct their own understanding rather than just delivering information. तापर 141 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हाट इज द बेसिक डेफिनेशन ऑफ मोटिवेशन. ऑप्शन ए द एबिलिटी टू मेमोराइज इंफॉर्मेशन, the internal process that initiates, directs, and sustains behavior, the process of learning through punishment, the automatic responses to external stimuli. Our answer of option number B, the internal process that initiates, directs, and sustains behavior. Motivation refers to internal or external factors that drives individuals to take action, maintain effort, and achieve goals. It plays a crucial role in learning and performance. तापर देखिए 142 नंबर क्वेश्चन व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ इंट्रिंसिक मोटिवेशन. ऑप्शन ए इज स्टडीइंग टू गेट गुड ग्रेड्स, वर्किंग ओवर टाइम फॉर ए सैलरी बोनस, लर्निंग ए न्यू लैंग्वेज बिकॉज यू एंजॉय इट, completing homework to avoid punishment. Our answer of option number C, learning a new language because you enjoy it. Intrinsic motivation comes from within, driven by personal interest or enjoyment in the task itself rather than external rewards or pressures. तापर 143 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन इंट्रिंसिक एंड एक्सट्रिंसिक मोटिवेशन. ऑप्शन ए इंट्रिंसिक मोटिवेशन इज बेस्ड ऑन एक्सटर्नल रिवार्ड्स while extrinsic motivation is based on personal interest. Option B is intrinsic motivation comes from internal factors while extrinsic motivation comes from external factors. Option C is intrinsic motivation requires reinforcement while extrinsic motivation does not. Option D is there is no difference between them. Our answer of option number B, intrinsic motivation comes from internal factors while extrinsic motivation comes from external factor. Intrinsic motivation is driven by internal satisfaction, example curiosity, enjoyment, while extrinsic motivation is influenced by external rewards like money, grades, praise. तापर 144 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ए मोटिवेशनल टेक्निक यूज्ड इन एजुकेशन. ऑप्शन ए punishing student for low performance, using rewards, praise, and goal setting to encourage learning, forcing student to memorize facts, eliminating student choice in learning activities. Our answer of option number B, using rewards, praise, and goal setting to encourage learning. Effective motivational techniques include positive reinforcement, goal setting, feedback, and providing autonomy, which enhance student engagement and performance. तापर 145 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा according to Maslow's hierarchy of needs, which type of motivation is most fundamental? Option A is self-actualization needs, esteem needs, social needs, psychological needs. Our answer of option number D, psychological needs. Maslow's theory suggests that basic psychological needs like food, water, shelter must be met before individuals can be motivated by higher level needs such as self-esteem or self-actualization. ତାପରେ 146 number question ଦେଖିବା, what is the best definition of personality? Option A is a person's physical appearance, the totality of an individual's thoughts, behaviors, and emotions, a person's intelligence level, the ability to memorize and recall information. Our answer of option number B, the totality of an individual's thoughts, behaviors, and emotions. Personality refers to the unique and consistent patterns of thoughts, emotion, and behaviors that define an individual. It shapes how a person interacts with their environment and others. ତାପରେ 147 number question ଦେଖିବା, which of the following is not a characteristic of personality? Option A, it is dynamic and can change over time. It is unique to each individual. It remains completely fixed throughout life. It is influenced by heredity and environment. Our answer of option number C, it remains completely fixed throughout life. Personality is relatively stable but can change over time due to experiences, environment, and personal growth. It is not completely fixed. ତାପରେ 148 number question ଦେଖିବା, which factor plays a significant role in shaping personality? Option A, only genetic inheritance, only social environment, both heredity and environment, only early childhood experiences. Our answer of option number C, both heredity and environment. Personality is shaped by both genetic factors like heredity and life experiences like environment, including culture, upbringing, and social interactions. ତାପରେ 149 number question ଦେଖିବା, which of the following statements about personality is true? Option A ଅଛି, personality is only determined by biological factors. Personality remains the same in every situation. Personality is a combination of stable traits and flexible behaviors. Personality does not influence a person's behavior. Our answer of option number C, personality is a combination of stable traits and flexible behaviors. While some personality traits remain stable, people can adapt their behaviors depending on different situations, making personality both consistent and flexible. ତାପରେ 150 number question ଦେଖିବା, according to psychologist, personality includes which of the following elements? Option A, only emotions and intelligence, thoughts, emotions, behaviors, and social interaction, just habits and physical traits, only inherited characteristics. Our answer of option number B, thoughts, emotions, behaviors, and social interactions. Personality is a broad concept that includes an individual cognitive patterns like thoughts, emotional responses, behaviors, and interactions with others. ତାପରେ 151 number question ଦେଖିବା, what is the primary purpose of assessment in education? Option A, to rank students based on their intelligence, to measure student learning and guide instruction, to increase student stress level, to eliminate students who perform poorly. Our answer of option number B, to measure student learning and guide instruction. Assessment helps teachers understand student progress, strengths, and weaknesses. It also informs instructional strategies and ensures learning objectives are met. ତାପରେ 152 number question ଦେଖିବା, which of the following is an example of formative assessment? Option A ଅଛି end of year final exam, standardized test, teacher feedback on a draft essay, university entrance exam. Our answer of option number C, teacher feedback on a draft essay. Formative assessment occurs during the learning process and provides feedback to improve performance, whereas summative assessment evaluates learning at the end of an instructional period. ତାପରେ ଦେଖିବା 153 number question, what is the key difference between assessment of learning and assessment for learning? Our option is assessment of learning is used for improvement while assessment for learning is for final grading. Option B is assessment of learning focuses on final evaluation while assessment for learning helps improve learning during the process. Option C is both are the same. Option D is assessment for learning is only done by students. Our answer of option number B, assessment of learning focuses on final evaluation while assessment for learning helps improve learning during the process. Assessment of learning which is summative measures achievement while assessment for learning which is formative guides instruction and helps students improve. तापर 154 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा which type of assessment involves real world tasks that require students to apply their knowledge. Option is multiple choice test, authentic assessment, standardized assessment, memorization based assessment. Our answer of option number B, authentic assessment. Authentic assessment like project, test, case studies, presentations require students to demonstrate knowledge in real world context, promoting deeper learning. तापर 155 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा which of the following is an example of a summative assessment. Option A is group discussion, class quiz for feedback, final semester exam, teachers oral questioning during a lesson. Our answer of option number C, final semester exam. Summative assessment evaluates student learning at the end of an instructional period and are typically used for grading. तापर 156 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा which of the following is a key feature of subjective assessment. Option A, it has only one correct answer, it allows for multiple interpretation and personal opinions, it is always scored by a machine, it does not require critical thinking. Our answer of option number B, it allows for multiple interpretation and personal opinions. Subjective assessment like essays, interviews require personal interpretation and critical thinking. Answers are open-ended and may vary based on the individual's perspective. तापर 157 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हाट इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्टिव असेसमेंट. ऑप्शन ए अछि एसे राइटिंग, ओपन एंडेड क्वेश्चन एयर, multiple choice test, project presentation. Our answer of option number C, multiple choice test. Objective assessments have clear field answers and are often scored automatically. They minimize personal bias in evaluation. तापर 158 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा which of the following best describes projective techniques of assessment. Option A, they assess knowledge through direct questioning, they use structured and standardized questions, they present ambiguous stimuli to reveal unconscious thoughts and emotions, they rely on mathematical calculation for scoring. Our answer of option number C, they present ambiguous stimuli to reveal unconscious thoughts and emotions. Projective techniques like Projective techniques use ambiguous stimuli to encourage individuals to project their thoughts, emotions, and personality traits, which are they analyzed by experts. तापर 159 नंबर क्वेश्चन which of the following is a disadvantage of subjective assessment. Our option is it can be graded quickly and easily, it does not allow for creativity, scoring can be influenced by personal bias, it only includes numerical data. Our answer of option number C, scoring can be influenced by personal bias. Since subjective assessments rely on individual judgment like essay, open-ended responses, scoring may vary based on evaluators' perspective, making it less standardized than objective methods. तापर 160 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा which assessment method is best suited for measuring deep personal emotions and personality traits. Option A, multiple choice test, fill in the blanks questions, projective techniques, standardized aptitude test. Our answer of option number C, projective techniques. Projective techniques assess deeper unconscious thoughts and personality traits through ambiguous stimuli. They are commonly used in psychological evaluations rather than academic assessments. तापर 161 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हाट इज द बेस्ट डेफिनेशन ऑफ मेंटल हेल्थ ऑप्शन अछि द absence of any physical illness, the ability to think logically and solve math problems, a state of well-being where individuals can cope with stress, work productively and contribute to society, a condition that only affects people with psychological disorders. Our answer is option number C, a state of well-being where individuals can cope with stress, work productively and contribute to society. ତାପରେ 162 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा which of the following is not a factor affecting mental health. आर ऑप्शन अछि genetics and biological factors, socio-economic conditions, physical exercise, the brand of clothes a person wear. Our answer is option number D, the brand of clothes a person wear. Mental health is influenced by factors like genetics, environment, social interaction, and lifestyle choices. External materials possessions such as clothing brands do not directly impact mentally well-being. तापर 163 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा हाउ कैन टीचर्स सपोर्ट स्टूडेंट्स मेंटल हेल्थ इन स्कूल. Option A by encouraging a supportive and inclusive classroom environment, by ignoring students' emotional needs and focusing only on academics, by punishing students for expressing emotions, by discouraging discussions about mental well-being. Our answer of option number A, by encouraging a supportive and inclusive classroom environment. Teachers play a crucial role in creating a safe and positive learning space where students feel valued, supported, and comfortable discussing their emotions and challenges. तापर 164 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा which of the following is a key sign of poor mental health in students. ऑप्शन अछि high academic performance and participation, increased social interaction and confidence, persistent sadness, withdrawal or changes in behavior, a strong interest in extracurricular activities. Our answer is option number C, persistent sadness, withdrawal or changes in behavior. Signs of a poor mental health include mood swings, lack of motivation, withdrawal from social activities, and difficulty concentrating. Early and identification helps in providing proper support. तापर 165 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा व्हाट शुड ए टीचर डू इफ दे नोटिस ए स्टूडेंट स्ट्रगलिंग विथ मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज. ऑप्शन ए ignores the issue and focus on academics, publicly discuss the student's problem in front of the class, offer emotional support, encourage communication and refer them to a counselor if needed, force the student to participate in more activities. Our answer of option number C, offer emotional support, encourage communication and refer them to a counselor if needed. Teachers should observe, listen and provide guidance to struggling students. Referring them to professional help ensures they receive appropriate care and support. तापर 166 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा why is mental health important for teachers. Because it helps them maintain discipline in class, because mentally healthy teachers create a positive learning environment, because teachers need to be perfect and stress free all the time, because students should not know about their teachers emotion. Our answer of option number B, because mentally healthy teachers create a positive learning environment. A teacher's mental health directly affects classroom management, student engagement, and overall school atmosphere. A calm and emotionally stable teacher fostering a positive learning environment. तापर देखिए 167 नंबर क्वेश्चन which of the following is a common mental health challenge faced by teachers. ऑप्शन ए excessive workload and burnout, too much free time and lack of responsibility, lack of interest in teaching, having too many vacations. Our answer of option number A, excessive workload and burnout. Teachers often experience stress from grading, lesson planning, and managing students, leading to burnout, which can impact their mental well-being and teaching effectiveness. तापर 168 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा what is a good way of teachers to manage stress and maintain good mental health. Option A ignoring stress and working harder, engaging in self-care activities and seeking support when needed, avoiding interactions with students, taking an extra work to stay busy. Our answer of option number B, engaging in self-care activities and seeking support when needed. Self-care practices like exercise, relaxation techniques, work-life balance, and peer support help teachers manage stress and maintain their mental well-being. तापर 169 नंबर क्वेश्चन, हाउ डज टीचर मेंटल हेल्थ इम्पैक्ट स्टूडेंट्स? ऑप्शन है इट डज नॉट अफेक्ट स्टूडेंट्स एट ऑल, इट ओनली अफेक्ट स्टूडेंट्स विथ बिहेवियरल इश्यूज. टीचर्स विथ गुड मेंटल हेल्थ create a positive and effective learning atmosphere. Students learn better when teachers are stressed and strict. Our answer of option number C, teachers with good mental health create a positive and effective learning atmosphere. Teachers with strong mental well-being are more patient, understanding and motivated, which helps students feel comfortable, engaged and supported in their learning journey. तापर 170 नंबर क्वेश्चन देखिबा, व्हाट शुड schools do to support teachers mental health? Option है increase working hour to keep teachers occupied, provide mental health resources, counseling and stress management programs, expect teachers to handle their mental health issues alone, ignore the issue and focus only on student learning. Our answer of option number B, provide mental health resources, counseling and stress management programs. Schools should prioritize teacher well-being by offering mental health support, training and manageable workloads to prevent burnout and ensure a healthy teaching environment. तापर 171 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ एडजस्टमेंट mechanism in psychology? ऑप्शन है the way individuals modify their behavior to fit social norms, a process of physically adapting to a new environment, a method of avoiding all problems in life, a technique used only in professional therapy. Our answer of option number A, the way individuals modify their behavior to fit social norms. Adjustment mechanism help individuals cope with challenges, conflicts and environmental demands, ensuring psychological well-being and social harmony. तापर 172 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which of the following is an example of a defense mechanism used in adjustment? Option है eating healthy food, repressing unpleasant memories to avoid stress, avoiding social interaction due to introversion, always following a strict daily routine. Our answer of option number B, repressing unpleasant memories to avoid stress. तापर 173 नंबर क्वेश्चन, which adjustment mechanism involves justifying one's action with logical but false reasons? ऑप्शन है rationalization, regression, projection, compensation. Our answer of option number A, rationalization. Rationalization is a defense mechanism where a person explains their behavior with seemingly logical reasoning to avoid feeling guilty or anxious. तापर 174 नंबर क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द एडजस्टमेंट mechanism where a person attributes their own negative feelings or behaviors to someone else? Our option है projection, displacement, sublimation, denial. Our answer of option number A, projection. Projection occurs when a person attributes their own undesirable thoughts, feelings or motives to another person, helping them avoid personal responsibility. तापर 175 नंबर क्वेश्चन, when a person redirects their frustration from one source to another, what adjustment mechanism are they using? Option है displacement, regression, identification, reaction formation. Our answer of option number A, displacement. Displacement occurs when a person shifts their emotional response from its real target to a safer substitute. Example होची taking out work frustration on a family member. कोर 3 रो सब क्वेश्चन आंसर सरीगला. नेक्स्ट वीडियो रे आम देखा कोर 4 रो क्वेश्चन आंसर. जदि वीडियो भल लागुचे लाइक करंतु आ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करंतु. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग.